Alright guys, I'm at my favorite place, not. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm in the middle of a move and had to run out for some boxes, and Walmart was the only place. And I just wanted to do this video as we were driving by, seeing all this garden stuff and outdoor stuff. For those of you who believe that, you know, gardening isn't really, and we're in Washington here, it's the most locked down state. You can't even fish on your own property. $5,000 fine for hiking till September 30th. And so just, I mean, yeah, shit's going down. There's a lot of fucked up shit, right? Like there's people shopping. But don't, look, I've been on the road for 2 months, okay? So I've seen a lot, and if you're sitting home at the news, you think that I would be terrified to go outside, honestly, but you know, things are different, right? But you can still get food and stuff like that, so don't let that deter you. Don't use that as another excuse. Oh, they're not letting me. You know, there's somewhere you can go, something you can do. This is a fucking Walmart. I never go here, but we need like 4 more boxes, so whatever. Anyways.